Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whichever time you are seeing this video. Alright, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is George. So I'm a forex trader. Okay, so I won't be making much on this video. I'm here to just analyze the market for the week against the week to know what we are going to see and what we are hoping to get along the week. Alright, so to avoid wasting much of your time, I have my analysis with me here. So let's head straight to the charts. All right, let's go. All right, so this is our chart on Euro USD. All right, so we are on a higher time frame, which is our 4 hour. All right, so some people will ask me, what are we here to do? All right, for you to execute a trade on your lower time frame, you need to follow the trend. As you all know, you have heard about this. The trend is your friend. All right, never go against the trend unless you see a breakout or a change of structure or a change of either the trend line, a change in either the downtrend or the uptrend. All right, let's quickly analyze and see what we have for the week. All right, on our higher time frame, you can see that market is actually selling. All right, with the help of our trend line. All right, let's go down. All right, make sure you mark the week, the peak of each candle on our higher time frame. All right, as you can see on our 4 hour time frame, you can see that market is all selling, but at the last trend line, at the last touch of the trend line, what do we see? Which is here. What do you actually see? All right, you can see that market has broken the trend line. All right, and waiting for a retest. All right, let's look at this. Market came here and break the trend line, and seems like it's coming back to the trend line. All right, but then we are not executing yet. We are just analyzing and looking at what the market is doing. All right, then we will switch over to our 1 hour time frame. Okay, let's see what our 1 hour is giving us. All right, our 1 hour. Okay, as you can see on our 1 hour, let me just zoom it in a way you see the chart. The candles are well. All right, on our 1 hour, we see that we are in an uptrend. Sorry, we are in an uptrend. All right, what do you see here? As you can see, you see that market is buying. Is actually buying. All right, there is a change of trend in our 1 hour time frame. All right, let's use our trend line to indicate that. All right, from the peak here to the next peak. All right, sorry, to this peak. All right, yeah, we got it right. You see the market is buying. All right, just look at it properly. You notice that market has broken on our 4 hour time frame. Market has broken the trend line. All right, it tests back and is buying. So after a short while, it came and formed a double top. What do you mean by double top? A point where two buys meet. All right, you see a double top here and here. All right, a double top. It came back, retested here, and we are seeing weak rejections. All right, let me zoom it so you see the weak rejections we are having here. All right, zoom. All right, we are seeing weak rejections here, and that's actually is a buy. That's on a buy. All right, so what do we see here? All right, let me create this for a clear chart. All right, delete. All right, so if you look well on this chart, what are we seeing? Price is actually reacting on a particular support. All right, let me show you what I mean. All right, as you can see from here, our rectangle tool, so the market is reacting at this zone. I don't know if you are seeing this. market is reacting on the zone. Can you see what I mean? All right, let me show you the zones. You have about 3 or 4 touch points here. You have this one as the first one, this one as the second one, and this as the third. All right, we have about 3 touch points on this zone. So what are we doing here? We are expecting for price to either break this and retest back here and move hold down, or we expect price as it has touched this zone now. As it has touched this zone, expect price to go up. But whichever way, we are doing that on our 15 minutes time frame. Why? Because we are a day trader. We day traders, we only trade daily. All right. Okay. So I've cleared everything now. Let's head straight to our 15 minutes time frame to enable us to know what we are going to do. Either we are buying or we are selling. All right. So let's head straight and see what we are going to have. Okay. All right. On a clearer view, you can see what I'm saying. So as we all know that on our 1 hour time frame, price is all buying. So as we have seen on our 15 minutes time frame, price is actually buying. All right, price is honestly buying. All right, so for the week, from my analysis, we see that price touched here, price crossed this resistance, retested back, and buy, sorry, came again, form a double top. Actually, we didn't have gone down and went down to this zone. All right, just went down to this zone. And what are we seeing? We are seeing something like an M. All right, can you see? So on a clear view, let me just explain what I'm got here. All right, I will be seeing for a buy for the week. Yeah, mostly it will be buy. If you ask me, I will tell you why. All right, I'll tell you why. Sorry, I moved this at the wrong place. Should be around here. All right. So as you can see, why am I buying? Yeah, that's the main reason we are taking a trade. Why am I buying? All right. So for clearer explanation, I'll just make it briefly. All right, because the video is taking more longer than I promised. All right, why am I buying? Firstly, I'm buying because price reacted here. All right, you can see it, this first touch point. All right, this is our first touch point, our second touch point, and honestly our third touch point. All right, and this, it has touched our support actually. All right, it has touched our support, and here we can see a trend line. Touch the trend line here, and this is a psychological level. These dotted lines, all right, at our stop loss is our psychological level. So these are the 3 reasons, the major key zones why I am buying for the week, but I won't execute it yet until it is London session. All right, that is 8 a.m. in the morning tomorrow, Monday. All right, so 3 reasons why I am buying on EU. First is touched our support and retested. Secondly, our trend line touched our trend line, and our psychological level, which is the strong main reason why we are buying for this. All right, so this is my analysis on you. So on this EU for now until tomorrow, it's AM at London section. All right, so That's my analysis for now. Save. Alright guys, as you can see, my analysis I did on EU. Alright, that will be for now and for today. Alright, so if you like this content, I would like you to share, subscribe, and like this. Alright, and never forget to share to your friends and loved ones to engage on this video. Alright, for you to order and see my other contents, I would love you to share. I'll be dropping my Telegram link here where you can join me, where I share my free signals. Alright, it's for free, no charges are collected. Alright, so stay cool and keep on the fire burning. Never quit. Thank you. Peace.